Welcome back, Soulful Foodies. Today I'm sharing a delicious AIP compliant dessert that comes together very quickly, a berry cobbler. If you're part of the Soulful Foodie squad, then you may recognize that the ingredients for the crust are the same as for my sweet potato pie graham cracker like crust. The difference is that instead of using solid coconut oil, we will use melted. Melting the coconut oil will give this topping a dough-like texture instead of a crumbly one. Now, if you prefer a crumble texture, go for it. Use the unmelted coconut oil and use a fork to cut that into the flour mixture. It will still taste awesome. In this video, I'm using strawberries to demonstrate, but I've made this using blueberries, and I even show you a few shots of a berry blend of strawberries, blueberries, and cherries. You can use just about any fruit to make this. Cherries would be amazing, or you could use peaches. Now, I'm not a peach fan, but if that's your jam, it would most definitely work. Now, before we jump into the ingredients, are you subscribed? I have so much to show you and tons of content to upload. So if you see some things you like, subscribe. Join the Soulful Foodie Squad. Let me know in the comments what you think of this AIP compliant berry cobbler. If you plan to make this, what fruit will you try? And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Soulful AIP.